Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you two new bags. I feel like us handbag lovers, most of us, are always looking for everyday good practical bags, especially black bags. But these two bags here I have to show you because they come in multiple different colors and I've got two different sizes here. Parisa Wang was generous enough to send me these bags to try out and to review. You guys know I have been trying out Parisa Wang bags for years now. I'm a huge fan. They are New York based, so I love supporting local brands, as you guys know, as a native New Yorker. Parisa Wang bags always come in these cute little dust bags with these top handles. So it's like a canvas tote bag that can be repurposed, used for errands, running around. So that's really clever. And I'm going to show you this bag here. There's a story behind this bag. It's so cute. My parents came over recently for my birthday. My mom saw it and she was like, it's adorable. And I was like, hands off. I have to show my viewers first. So this is the Hadid bag. This is the Hadid 21 size. So this is how it comes all packaged. I've been playing with it for a while, but I kept the packaging intact so you can see the nice presentation. The styrofoam is all wrapped here so that the handles came beautifully intact, no damage whatsoever. Packaging is always really nice from Parisa Wang. So while I take all of this off, I'm going to share what will be in this video. I'm going to give you detailed, up-close looks at both bags, size comparison, and I'll also, of course, weigh the bags as I always do whenever I get a new bag, just to see if it's light or heavy or in between. So we'll do that. I'll show you what fits inside. And I want to share with you the story behind these bags because it's pretty cool. So let me just undress. Got my little mini scissors here. Undress the Hadid 21. So the Hadid bags, look at these feet covers. So nice. The Hadid bags are named after a famed female architect, Zaha Hadid. She is no longer with us. She passed away a few years ago, but she was a force to be reckoned with in the architecture world, especially in a male-dominated world. So she was actually named the Queen of Curves because of her style of architecture, very flowy and curvy. So this bag collection, the Hadid collection, is a tribute to her with the minimal yet flowy aesthetic and maximal functionality. That's what they're going for. So once you see this bag, you'll see that it's very, very practical and functional. So you open it up like this. Actually, let me show you the next size up, and then this way I can put them side by side, and then I'll show you all the details. So this one here is the same Hadid bag, but it's in a larger size. It's the 27 size, and I'll actually compare these with some other branded bags that I have in my collection, just so you can get a size reference and also get a good look at the leather quality here. Again, beautifully wrapped. Let me just undress this one as well. All right, so here is the 27 size next to the 21 size. Let's see if I can give you a good look here. They're both really great sizes. You've got a mini bag, but it will fit all your essentials. And then you've got slightly larger, kind of like a medium size that can fit a 10-inch tablet and so much. Just look at it. So the mini one right now comes in 4 different colors, this gorgeous classic black, but also in the taupe color, as well as beautiful caramel brown and the cream color. Now the 27 size comes in those colors minus the cream. So it comes in black, taupe, and caramel brown. Doesn't come in the cream yet. Maybe they'll introduce it at some point. Now these are newer styles from Parisa Wang, but when I checked on their website, I saw already a few 5-star reviews. So the people who have purchased these seem to be very happy, which is always nice. Great validation. So let me pull this out here. If you don't already know, Parisa Wang is a great affordable designer brand. When I say affordable, it is because they are direct to consumer and they cut out all the middlemen and all the hyped marketing and the expensive celebrity endorsements, and they come straight to us. So a lot of their bags are $500 or less, yes, and they're made with high-end full grain leather. So these bags, the Hadid bags, are made with Italian full grain leather and they're pebbled. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. And they are a very particular type of pebbled grains, more refined, a little bit smaller and softer. So these bags feel really nice. So here's the matching strap. It is completely removable and adjustable. So you've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 holes. So no matter your height, however you like to wear it, higher up, shoulder, crossbody, this is going to work great. Hardware is a zinc aloe mix, and it has gold plating, real gold. So that's great in terms of the investment they made in the hardware. You know, it's not going to tarnish. And I love that it has this little lock. So at first when I was playing with this, I was like, where does the key go? But it's actually a pull. So it's kind of like a psych out. Just pull it and it snaps right into place. Pull it again. And it's really nice quality, you can see. And it adds a nice little touch, an embellishment to the side of the bag. The other side looks like so. It says Parisa Wang, New York, and there is a hidden magnet, so it keeps it nice and tidy. And again, I love the feet. Bonus when we have feet on these kinds of bags so that the bottoms don't get scuffed. It's all the little details. Here are the rings for the strap, which I'll put on in a minute. So you've got 2 zippers. So you can put the zippers in the center, or you can just pull them to one side. But I'm going to open this up and show you. This is what the micro one looks like. It is leather lined, and you've got one zipped compartment on this side here, and then on the other side you've got an open slip pocket so you can put some cards or cash, and then you've got the main compartment. So that's what it looks like. In a minute I'll show you what fits inside, but I want to show you the large one as well. So voila, the strap is on, and you can wear this shoulder or crossbody or just top handle. Like I said, it's a very versatile bag. You've got a lot of options. Super duper cute. If you wanted something a little bit larger to carry more, you've got this 27 size, and it's the same exact style. So you've got the lock on one side, and then you've got the hidden magnet on the other. See that? 2 zipper pulls. Pull this out. Looks quite roomy, considering all the tissue paper in here. That's always very telling. Same thing, all leather lined. You've got quite a generous, large zippered compartment that's fabric lined on the inside. Oh, this feels really soft actually. And then you've got an open slip pocket and the main compartment. So this is pretty big. I think this one will look great, just top handle like this, or crook of the arm. Looks super professional. If you wanted a really chic, timeless looking bag for work, you're going into the office, this is a great looking bag, and it's under $500. Also, of course, it comes with the strap, again, removable and adjustable. So if you wanted to have a larger size bag, but also be hands-free once in a while and just wear this as a crossbody or on your shoulder, you can do that. Again, love the versatility. There we have it. I want to show you the softness of these bags here, both bags. So first of all, here's what the pebbled grains look like. And I just wish you could feel this through the screen. So usually grain leather is very durable, very scratch resistant. It's got the nice texture, but sometimes it doesn't feel as nice, and these feel so nice in the hands. And again, the feet with the little covers, so well thought out. So let me show you. Here's the 21 and the 27. You know what? Let me take the strap off so you can see it better. And by the way, if you don't know about Parisa Wang, they actually use the same manufacturer as Chloe and the Row. So they construct their bags, the same manufacturers as these high-end brands. But again, because they cut out the middleman and they sell direct to consumer on their website, we are getting much more reasonable, fair pricing. 21 size goes for $398. Then you can use my promo code. It's not an affiliate code. I don't get anything for it, but I always share. It's 12% off, Hannah12. And by the way, this leather, you guys, I learned from the founder herself, Parisa Wang, that this leather is the exact same leather that is used on the Loro Piana extra bags. Yeah, Loro Piana is super, super high-end, highly marked up. And whether you think they're overhyped or not, the point is they use the same leather. And then the 27 size, $458. With my promo code, you get an additional 12% off. And it's all free worldwide shipping with Parisa Wang. So really quickly, I just wanted to show you my Hermes Birkin 30 centimeter size. Why am I showing this? It feels kind of random. Well, because when I was communicating with Parisa, and that's the coolest thing, I get to communicate directly with Parisa herself. This is her namesake brand. She started in 2016. From the beginning, she and I have been communicating directly. There's no other brand that I work with that I have been talking directly to the founder. She's very invested and she's a very lovely human being. So I just feel even more excited to support her brand. So she mentioned to me in one of her emails that if you compare Togo leather, which is what my Birkin is in, versus this full grain Italian calf leather with the smaller, more refined grains, you're going to feel softness here. And I was like, okay, let me see. And I do see a very subtle difference. Now the colors are different, so it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the grains are bigger on the Togo and then slightly more refined on the Hadid bags. Both beautiful leathers. You guys know I love Togo leather, but I love this too. This is so nice. All right, and then I wanted to show you really quickly some other bags for size comparison. Like this one here, the 21 size, is kind of similar to the Speedy BB that I have from Louis Vuitton. Now, this was a limited edition seasonal piece that's no longer available, but it's a very similar size to the current Speedy 20. I think this was like 19 centimeters when I measured it, so like 1 centimeter off. But you can see, let me move this aside. You can see they are very, very similar. Right? 2 top handles, height, pretty similar, except the Hadid 21 has the extended zipper, so it's going to be easier to get in and out of versus this straight zipper with no extension. But yeah, if you are familiar with this size or the Speedy B20, then you'll get an idea of what this size is. It's a great size. Then I wanted to show you the Hadid 27 versus the LV Speedy B in 25 size. So again, just to give you a rough idea, the depth from the side is pretty similar. Again, you've got the extended zipper on the Hadid. And then this is what it looks like in terms of height and length. Very, very similar. So if you love the Speedy 25 size and you want something similar, but you want something more discreet, understated, not in your face logos and not highly marked up, this is a great option for you. You've got the feet, you've got the beautiful leather, you've got the lock, you've got the zipper for security, you've got the compartments on the inside here. So well thought out. Okay, I just brought a bunch of random stuff to show you what could fit inside the Hadid 27. So, wow, there's a lot of room in here. I'm going to use a full-size Continental wallet, which I almost never use anymore. Those of you who use full-size wallets like this, I wanted to show you how easily this goes in. It fits, voila, wow. And the opening, the mouth is really generous, and you still have so much space, right? So if you wanted to even put a makeup bag, a cosmetic pouch, I've got a bunch of stuff in here at the moment. Even a full makeup bag goes in there. And then here's a large iPhone Pro Max case. It's the largest size. Bam, no problem. Mini pochette, packed. This is going to be so easy. Now, if you stuff it too much, it's going to get heavy, but I'm showing you what fits. This is my version of the mini pochette, my collab with Dress Up Your Purse. I love this, but this also fits. So if you wanted to carry 2 pouches, why not? Look how neat that looks too. Because of the silhouette of the bag, just looks so neat and tidy. But let's say you don't need 2 pouches because that's overkill. I'll take one out. These can obviously fit. I'll show you really quickly. Card holder. You can even put the card holder in this little pocket for easy access. Mini O case. Pretty much another pouch. And then my sunglasses. I almost never bring this full case because it's big and bulky. I just use the soft pouch, but let's say you wanted to bring a big case for sunglasses. Look at that. Look at that. And it fits with room to spare, by the way. And it looks so good. Very, very professional. Very clean cut. No frills. No distractions. You can also fit a water bottle in here, depending on the size. But I think a standard Poland Spring or a smaller, like a stainless steel water bottle that you carry around can fit easily. Okay. Zipper is very easy, very smooth. Okay, so this is the mini, although I will say that when Parisa Wang says that they are mini or micro bags, they're still pretty generous in terms of what you can fit, I've found, at least in my experience with previous bags. So that's going to be tight. Okay, actually it's not going to fit. So no full-size wallet for the smaller 21 size. Let's see if this huge bulky sunglass case fits. Oh my gosh. Whoa, I did not expect that to fit, but it fits and there's room to spare here. But that's kind of ridiculous. So what I would do is I would just use a small pouch, the soft pouch. Put that in there, right? And then maybe I would put a bulky, full mini pochette. Wow, goes in pretty easily, look. And card holder. And I definitely need my phone. So that goes in quite easily. You can put a lotion, a lip balm, some pack of gum here, maybe a thin pack of tissues. If I were to take this whole thing out, and the sunglasses as well, I'm just curious if the cosmetic pouch would fit. Oh my gosh, it does. Do not be deceived by the size. A full cosmetic pouch with makeup inside fits in this 21 size. So both are great sizes. I think this one is adorable. It's more petite, but it packs a punch, as you saw. And this is more for the professional or for the everyday woman who is carrying more. Maybe you're commuting, maybe you're a mom and you've got more stuff, snacks and baby items in here. This is a great size too. I feel like it's very practical. Now I am going to weigh both of these. They feel pretty light. Neither of them feel heavy at all when I first took them out of the box, and as I'm playing with them, especially this one here, you would think it'd be pretty heavy given that it's full leather and the size, but it's not. So I think it's because they didn't add any extra unnecessary frills and embellishments. So Parisa Wang is one of the few handbag brands that I know of that go out of their way to put the weight of each bag on their website, but I like to weigh them myself as well, just to confirm. So here's my trusty scale, and this little one here is empty. And it's coming in at 1 pound, 0.3 ounces. So I'd say 1 pound, which is really nice for a full leather bag, really light. And then the larger 27 size, this one is coming in at 1 pound, 8.7 ounces. So you guys know my absolute cutoff, no matter how gorgeous a bag is 2 pounds. I will not go over 2 pounds. And this is 1 pound, 8.7 ounces, so it meets that cutoff. And you can carry it like this or put the strap on if your hand gets tired. So those are the weights of these two bags. Before I close out this video, I want to say a few things that are on my mind. For starters, I feel like a lot of us have been talking about the pretty obvious decline in quality in the luxury handbag brands that we used to love, but I think a lot of us are now starting to get sick of, and we're tired of the quality issues and the defects and the poor customer service and the ever rising prices. So I really hope that sharing these kinds of brands that are more up and coming, that are more affordable and more transparent with their pricing is helpful to you all, because I personally have really been enjoying learning about these types of brands that offer more value. I think I'm growing tired of the corporate brands, that's what I'm going to call them now, and am really more interested in the up-and-coming, smaller, more organic brands. So happy to share these two new Hadid bags from Parisa Wang, my promo code for an additional 12% off. I'll link both bags down below in my description box, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section. I will try my best to answer all of them. All right, thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all next time. Bye-bye.